Are you ready to elevate your virtual meetings in 2024? Google Meet has rolled out exciting new features that can transform how you connect with colleagues and friends. From improved collaboration tools to enhanced security options, there is so much to explore. In this guide, we will walk you through everything you need to know to make the most of Google Meet, ensuring your video calls are engaging and productive. Don't let outdated methods hold you back. Let's dive in and revolutionize your online communication. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Meet. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into meet.google.com, or you can also click over here and you choose Google Meet here and you get started. Here we have video calls and meetings for everyone. Connect, collaborate and celebrate from anywhere with Google Meet. So what is Google Meet? Google Meet is a video conferencing platform by Google designed for hosting virtual meetings and webinars. Its purpose is to enhance communication and collaboration, enabling users to connect seamlessly from anywhere. With features like screen sharing and real-time captions, it supports both personal and professional interactions. In a digital world, Google Meet is essential for fostering teamwork and maintaining relationships remotely. So to get started, you have just to click over new meeting here, and you can also choose the option that you want. For example, here we have quite a meeting for later. About this one here is your join-in info. Send this to people you want to meet with. Be sure to save it so you can use it later too. You can just copy it and you share it with your friends, colleagues, teammates, or your co-workers. And if you receive the code, you just have to paste it here and then you join the video calls. Then also we have other things like which is start an instant meeting like that. As you can see, let's wait, we have it join in, then we have login. As you can see, this is how it looks. We have here firstly your meetings ready. Add others, you can just add your friends, and as I mentioned before, or just people that you want to join your video, or share this meeting link with others you want in the meeting. Like that, you have just to copy it and share the meeting. So here we have also audio permission needed, and we have permission needed also. You have just to go to settings and allow this permission. Then we have here also video here if you want to show your face, and we have here turn caption, we have here send a reaction, present now also, and we have raise hand and more options like change layout, full screen, open picture in picture, apply visual effects, turn on captions. Then we have report a problem, report abuse, and we have troubleshooting and help. And then if you want to leave the call, you click over here. Then we have your method details, people also. Then we have also here chat with people. We have just to activate this one, and that's it. Then we have also here activities, host controls also. So this is about video call like that and how it works with creating about start and instant meetings. Also we have your schedule in Google Calendar, and you will find this page after you click over it. So here we have the title, for example, live streaming like that. We select the time, for example, we have October 17, 2024, and we have here the time. You select the time that you want, for example this one, and then we have also here to you select the time. For example, I will select 30 minutes. Then we have here times on, and I will select also here 17, so I will select only 30 minutes. Then we have the time zone here. A repeated event has to start and end in the same time zone. Then you click over OK, and you can select the option of all day, and if you want annually on October 17, that's not repeated, daily, weekly on Thursday, and we have monthly on Thursday. Then you have annually on October, or you can choose every weekday or custom. The custom here we have repeat every how much, for example how much, 6 years, or you select here days, weeks, months also. Then here we have yes, never, or on, after, and you select on here. And after we have how much, if you select after, select how much, if it's more or less, as you can see. Then you click over done. And we have also here event details like join with Google Meet. We have here other location, notification, also email notification here, and you select here how much days or how much weeks also. Then we have here before, and you select the time that you want. Then here we have a notification. Here we have you select the color, and here we have free or you are busy. Select I'm busy, so select this one. Then default visibility, or you choose public or privacy. Anyone can see this event's details, including the description and the names of attachments. Then we have here if it is private, this event's details can't be seen by others unless they have at least make changes to events permission for this calendar. Then you add a description here, and here we have other guests, and here we have guest permission. As you can see, then you click over save. Once you go over save, you will find this. So you select also the time that you want. We have event, task, and appointment schedule. About this one, we have here find the time. You can add a guests, add Google Meet video, or add location and other things, and you click over save. Then about task, we have here a description, some text, and we have appointment schedule here. For example, select the time, the day, and here we have got a booking page you can share with others so they can book time with you themselves. So this is it, how it works with Google Meet. You can just get started. And also we have here other information like try premium Google Meet features, and just read it to more understand. Here we have also export plan here. As you can see, we have get longer calls and more with a Google One premium plan. So this is it. So Google Meet is an essential tool for seamless virtual communication, whether for work, education, for socializing. Its intuitive features enhance collaboration and engagement, making meetings more productive. By following the simple steps, you can easily navigate the platform and make the most of all your online interactions. Embrace Google Meet to elevate your virtual experiences. So this is how it works with Google Meet. You can just get started and talk with your friend and discuss whatever you want. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.